Hi folks, this is Chris Luft at Zorg North America. I'm here today to go over programming of the 8101 SmartPark obstacle sensing system for commercial heavy-duty vehicles. So once the system's installed, make sure all our safety protocols are in place. That means the vehicle emergency brake is on, wheels are chalked, we have somebody in the cab putting their foot on the brake, and we're going to have them place it into reverse gear so it activates the system. Once the system is activated, at the module, you want to remove this rubber cover, and you'll see the multicolor flashing LED. Now, this LED will be flashing in the rate that you see in the manual, showing you what system functions are set from the factory. So from the factory, it's set for a rear operating system with extended distance and using the standard buzzer. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change this over to a front operating system, but changing any of the functions is the same. While it's in this mode, you're going to go ahead, take an eraser on a pencil is the best way to do it so we don't break the seal on the watertight cover here. And this isn't only an LED, it's a switch. So we're going to go ahead and press it one time. You'll notice it goes solid. So we're going to press it again until we get to red. But if you press it and keep going, it'll take you through all the color functions that are there. So we're at red, and I'm going to hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let go. And you'll notice now the red is flashing slow. If I leave it alone, it'll go ahead, go through a learning procedure, and then go back to normal. Now you'll notice we have fast, fast, slow, and slow. Now, if I wanted to change that back, again, I would just press once, go to red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It moves it to fast flash. If I hold it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, takes it to slow flash. And we can rotate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and again, leaving it stand for about 10 seconds. It goes back through. Now we have slow flash, fast, fast, and fast, which again put this back into reverse mode. That's all there is to programming the changes on this system. When you're done, make sure you put the cover back over. Tie your module up where it needs to be under the vehicle. It is waterproof, but let's make sure it's safe from any sort of debris, road debris, or damage that way. And you're set to go. Thanks. Let us know how it works out for you.